Good morning. Welcome to the class of History of class 9. Now we will be discussing chapter 2, part 3 of Vedic period. You can open page number 81. Now we will be discussing the topic, the social condition of the Vedic age. In this very topic, the first point is the village. What was the condition of village? How was the village organized? This is the point of discussion of this very topic. Here it is saying, the Aryans lived in well-planned village. The Aryans lived in well-planned village. The village consisted of number of joint families. Village was having the system of joint families. What do you understand by joint families? Today it is very rare to find joint families. You can have the look of joint families in rural areas, but it is very hard to find joint families in urban areas. Joint families means when we live with our uncle and grandfathers together, it is called joint families. जैसे हमारे चाचा, हमारे दादाजी और उनके बच्चे और हमारे पापा, हमारे भाई बहन सबको एक साथ रहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड जॉइंट फैमिली. सो इन विलेजेस दैट was having a system of joint families in the villages. The village was called a gram. Village को ग्राम कहा जाता था. Now also village is called gram. That time also village was called gram. It was a rectangular in shape. There was usually a stockade around the village. There was one main entrance gate in a village. It had a well laid out streets. The houses were constructed in a systematic way. The houses were made of wood, bamboo, straw and reed. They were in fact thatched huts tied together by ropes, bars and pegs. The king interfered very little in village life. Every village had what we today call local self-government or something similar to it. Means at that time the village life was also self-reliant, just like as it is today. Today we have Panchayati Raj. That time also it was having local self-government. So it was not at that time Panchayati Raj, but Panchayat was prevalent at that time also. But it was not called Panchayati Raj, but Panchayat was organized to solve the problem of the village in the Vedic period also. So the village life was well organized. There was one entrance gate in the village. The village houses were made of bamboo, रफ फूस का घर हुआ करता था और बांस वगैरह से, रस्सी वगैरह से बांध के घर बनाया जाता था. सो द विलेज लाइफ वाज वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड इट वाज सेल्फ सफिशिएंट इन इटसेल्फ. एंड द किंग इंटरफेयर वेरी लिटिल इन द मैटर्स ऑफ द विलेज एंड द विलेज लाइफ वाज सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. वो गांव का जीवन आत्मनिर्भर था. द ग्रुप ऑफ विलेजर्स वर कॉल्ड द विस. The group of villages were called the Vis. The village community was made up of families. The Aryans attached a great importance to a family as a unit of social organization. If you study sociology in the higher class, you will find it, and even if you know the fact that family is the unit of society, smallest unit of society is family. At that time also family was the smallest unit of society, and the group of villages was called Vis. This group of villages was called Vis. The village community was made of such families who was the smallest unit of the society, right? The family and the status of women. It is very important to learn the status of women, because nowadays also there is a feminist movement all around the world. So people have a tendency to look everything from the aspect of feminist view. So let us have the look at the family life and the status of women. The family was primarily a unit of society. There was a joint family system. As I have told earlier in the last paragraph that there was a joint family system. What we mean by joint family system, I have discussed earlier also. Often 3 generations lived together, the father, the grandfather and grandchildren. In joint family, 3 generations lived together. The eldest male member was the head of the family. He was called Grihapati. The eldest male member was the head of the family. Who heads the family and takes all the major decisions of the family? The eldest male member, and he was called Grihapati. He had full authority over the members of the joint family. It was also his duty to look after the family members. Thus, the patriarchal system of family, the system in which the male head held the final authority. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो पुरुष होता था, जो सबसे उम्र दराज परिवार का सबसे उम्रदराज पुरुष होता था वो गृहपति कहलाता था और परिवार के सभी सदस्यों का देखभाल करता था, सभी सदस्यों का ख्याल रखता था और पुरुष प्रधान परिवार होता था। एंड इट वाज अ मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी और जो अथॉरिटी होती थी वो सभी सारी जो निर्णय लेने की जो शक्ति थी परिवार के विषय में वो हेड ऑफ द फैमिली जो मेल मेंबर होता था उसके पास होती थी। ठीक है, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। This does not mean that women had no status in the family. They occupied an honorable place. The presence of women was essential in all ceremonies. They were given the opportunities to get education. Women composed the Rig-Vedic hymns. Even women had also right to choose their husband. Often swayambars were organized. So the women's, apart from that, even it was a patriarchal society. The women did have their own place in the family. They were having the right to get education. They were having the right to choose their husband. Even the swayambars were being organized for their marriages, right? Even they composed the hymns of Rig Veda. Division of society, it is very important. Society was divided into 4 varnas. So the next topic is division of society. So let's see how the society was divided into Vedic period. The Aryan society was divided into 4 classes. The society was divided into 4 classes, namely the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaisyas and the Sudras. These were in fact occupational group of the people. The occupation of these classes were as under. Means the society was divided on the basis of occupation. जो भी व्यक्ति जो व्यवसाय करता था उसके आधार पे उसका क्लास डिटरमाइन होता था and that was the basis of division of the society. And society was divided into 4 classes, namely Brahmans, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas and Sudras. So the Brahmanas performed various rituals, looked after religious and spiritual matters and recited prayers. पूजा पाठ कराना, वेदों का अध्ययन करना, शिक्षा देना, ये ब्राह्मणों का काम था, right? The Kshatriyas were the ruling and the warrior class. Their prime duty was to govern and defend the land. जो रूलिंग क्लास था, जो शासन करता था और जो देश की सुरक्षा करता था, युद्ध करता था, वो वॉरियर क्लास होता था जिन्हें क्षत्रिय कहा जाता था. The Vaisya were for the occupation of agriculture, cattle rearing and trade. खेती करना, पशुपालन करना और व्यवसाय करना ये वैश्यों का काम होता था. The Sudras were the class who made their living by doing manual and other unskilled job and served the other 3 class. Manual काम करना या unskilled काम ना, these were the occupation of the Sudras and the main duty of the Sudras were to serve the other 3 classes of the society. तो शूद्र का काम ये था कि मैनुअल वर्क करना, अपने शरीर से मेहनत करना और जो है अनस्किल्ड काम बिना किसी स्किल का जो भी काम किया जाता है वो सब काम शूद्र करते थे. और जो अन्य 3 ये है सोसाइटी के वर्णास हैं उनकी सेवा करना शूद्र का काम होता था. दिस वाज द डिवीजन ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड दिस वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 क्लास. दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर. सो नेक्स्ट कम टू फूड एंड फूड हैबिट्स. व्हाट वाज द फूड हैबिट ऑफ द पीपल एट द टाइम ऑफ वैदिक एज. वैदिक काल में फूड हैबिट कैसा था, ठीक है. The Aryans ate simple but nourishing food. Wheat, maize and barley were their staple diet. They also took milk and milk products such as butter, ghee, curd and cheese. They also consumed wild honey, fruits, vegetables and meat. They even served special foods to a special guest on special occasion. Among drinks they took soma juica and sura juica, which were intoxicating strong drinks. Their former drinks were even offered to gods in religious ceremonies. What did they consume as food? What we consume today, just like wheat, barley, maize, etc. And they even consumed vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods. Apart from that, they have the intoxicating drinks like soma and sura, and they even serve special food and drinks to the special guests on special occasions. These were their food habits. And they even serve the god special foods on the religious occasions, ceremonies. Games and amusement. There is a special topic on the games and amusement of the people of Vedic age. Aryans also found time for games and amusement, hunting, horse racing, chariot racing, wrestling, dancing, music and dice gambling were their favorite recreation. उनके व्यवसाय का मुख्य, उनके खेल और मनोरंजन का क्या साधन था? वो शिकार पे जाते थे, घुड़दौड़ करते थे, बग्घी से रेस लगाते थे, ये वेट लिफ्टिंग करते थे, डांस करते थे, गीत संगीत का आनंद लेते थे, गैम्बलिंग करते थे. इन सब से वो अपना मनोरंजन किया करते थे. दिस वेर ऑल अबाउट द सोशल लाइफ ऑफ द सोशल condition of the people of the Vedic age. So by this we conclude this very video. We will be discussing next topic in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.